Okay, so I'm going to record a video here on my K98 that I purchased 3 or 4 years ago. It was sold to me as a possible Russian capture. It's a S42 1937. Serial 962, matching on the barrel. Now the bolt doesn't match the different serial, but it is an armoury replaced bolt. However, nearly every other part is numbered the same as the serial, the rest of the rifle. The inspection stamps are all 6.3. The rear of the sight leaf has a 6.2 on it there, 9.62 there, small 6.3 there. Now, as you can see, this rifle is pretty badly worn. It does have a lot of bad pitting below the line of the stock. Another serial number there. The front sight also has the same serial, 962. So the only non-matching parts are the bolt, which is armoury replaced. The band spring here is unnumbered, unmarked, and the lower band here is Waffen-Amp stamped 623. See if I can get it in the shot here. I may have to take it off so you can see it. As you can see, it's actually on the opposite side the sling loop is, but there's a shrapnel chunk right there. The upper handguard number matches the rest of the rifle, so I'll take the handguard off and show you and see if I can find the 623 stamp. Okay, so as you can see, it has these swivel sling loops here for some other country or a different type of sling to be used. Okay, so find this Waffen-Amp in the light. There we go, 623. I'll lift the handguard off so you can see here, 962, numbered like the rest of the rifle. The barrel under the lower sling loop is actually quite pitted. This gun I still shoot, and it still shoots actually really good. Seen very heavy use as a battle rifle, obviously. I'll take this bolt out. The bolt has some strange markings on it itself. There's a similar script S under the receiver, which I'll take apart and show you in a sec. Now, as I said, this was sold to me as a Russian capture, and it turns out it's not, because the Russian captures are all unmatched parts. So if I turn it up this way, you can see here the floor plate, numbered 962, the screws 62, this must be an armoury replaced unmarked late war screw as well. The rear screw actually has a 6.3 little Waffen stamp on it. The rear is numbered 6.2 also. Has the K here for curves, short. But where are we? There's a serial number on the stock there, 962. There's another one further up here, 962. The bayonet lug's numbered 962 as well. I can't be bothered showing you that as well. Now, the Luftwaffe. This is a Luftwaffe issue as well, by the way, which I didn't know until 6 months or so after I got the rifle. Let's see if I can get this in the light. Yes, just there. See the L with the little Waffen eagle above it. There's actually one Waffen just below it there. There's several other imprints of Waffen stamps also. But after about a year of owning this rifle, I found under the pistol grip another Luftwaffe or Waffen stamp just there. There we go, now it's in focus. Not sure if you'll be able to see that or not, but it's just next to my finger there. Get it in the right light. I think it's WAA63 as well. There's a bit of a crack in the stock there. When I fire it, I have to actually take the capture screws out and tighten these proper screws up. But the other thing I found is just below the Waffen there's a skull with an X going through it. Now, just there. It's bizarre. I've tried posting this on forums and stuff, and hundreds of people look at it, so if anyone out there has any ideas, I personally think the SS got it at the end of the war. Stamped some sort of symbol on it. Whether it's a skull and swords, or skull and rifles, or skull and bones. I don't know. Just in case you can't see on the camera, I'll try and point it out. Okay. Alright, so just here is the little skull guy, and just below here is the X. Try and get it without the shine. I do have some photos on Photo Bucket as well, so I can post the link to that if you want to see still shots of it. But yeah, you should be able to see what I mean just there. It has a rear swivel on it also, which looks like it was done in quite a hurry, bit of a butcher job. Has a repair on the stock just here. It also actually has another Luftwaffe or eagle just there. Not sure how well you'll be able to see that one also, because the whole rifle's so badly worn it's really hard to tell. It has a 16, which looks like that may have been done later on. But I don't know with the amount of times that this rifle may have been reissued. There is a 12 stamp on the stock there in front of the floor plate. So I'll show you the butt plate as well. It's a little bit loose. This rifle really smells like blood and sweat and moisture and dirt and whatever else. As you can see, it's pretty badly worn. Just bear with me a sec. Be good if I lose that. Okay. Oh, another thing I'll show you on the stock before I pull this apart is there is an L in the sling groove here. The best angle for it. And just here. But then there is also up here, we'll go around the other side. Oh, you can't see it. There's another mark there. Oh no, hang on, sorry, it's back on this side. It's got so many fucking markings all over it. Yeah, there's a small F. Looks like an F anyway, a small F, an L with an F, so I don't know if that's Luftwaffe or L for laminated stock, because this is a 1937 matching stock to metal parts, so it's a early prototype issue to the Luftwaffe, which is pretty rare apparently, so I was pretty lucky to get it for $500. Some of you K98 lovers may be horrified at